Hello, it's Will Green from Trinity Chambers. The purpose of this video is to assist with dealing with PDF Expert. It's a PDF Expert for Mac, and we're going to be looking at bundles, opening bundles, adding further documents to your bundle. We'll be paginating, we'll be annotating, we'll be linking documents, we'll be making effectively a very plain PDF into something that's quite useful and helpful to have in court. And the ultimate basis is to help you to attend court with your PDF bundle as opposed to carrying a very heavy lever arch file with you. So let's share this screen and make a... This is the PDF Expert for Mac. This is the opening page, and at the moment there's nothing in it. If I take my mouse up to the blue select file button, click that once, and it opens to various documents in a file that's called Untitled, and you'll see that there's a bundle, some orders, some statements and some assessments. And let's click on the bundle. The PDF Expert will open that up for you. At the moment it's a very plain PDF. It's an opening page, there's an index, and it's just divided into sections. It's presently 55 pages long. You can see that in the bottom right. So let's try and add a bit of organisation and a bit of colour to this bundle. First of all, I think it would be helpful to assign some sections to this and add an index, etc. So let's come, this left hand side column is pretty much the brains of the PDF Expert, and it's a very useful tool. So if we click on the second box here with the lines, that's your outlines, and this is a good place to name various pages of your PDF. So if you go down to the bottom and click Add Item, it will come up, and at the moment it says page 1, and we're going to delete that, and we're going to call it front page because that's the page we're on at the moment, and we've just given it a name. If we scroll down to page 2, it's the index. Again, we come down to Add Item, delete page 2, and just call it index. Then we'll do the same, anything that's of any interest to us. Section A, so we'll click Add Item, name it section A, scroll down to find section B. It's very straightforward. Click Add Item, section B, and this will be very helpful for you later on down the line when you're navigating your bundle. So let's find section C, which will be in here somewhere. Here we go, section C, Add Item, delete section C, scroll down, section D, somewhere, there we go, section D, Add Item, section D, and then last of all there should be a section E, section E. Now when we come up to the outlines, if I want to click on index, it takes us straight there. The next thing that we're going to do is looking at adding documents that you've been sent separately to your bundle, so it's just in the one bundle and you don't have to keep opening up separate PDFs. So what we're going to do is come up to the middle box with the 4 squares, click on that, thumbnails, and along the top here there's a number of options, and you're looking out for the second option which says append file. You click on that, it will come up with the folder again. On this occasion let's add, what have we got? Let's put in a new social worker statement. So let's click on that, and it will throw it to the bottom of your bundle, and it's all 3 pages are highlighted already, what you're going to do is, with 2 fingers on your trackpad, you're just going to click and then cut. That wants to make its way up to section C, so scroll up. Here's section C. So what you're really looking for is section D. So you want to put it in chronologically. So it wants to come in. You want to highlight the last document in section C, and then on the Mac, Command and the letter V for victory will paste it, and there you are. It's inserted the new social worker's statement at the end of section C as you wanted. So it's moved it from the bottom to up here, and that applies to all of those documents. You can just insert them as and when. We're next going to look at the ability to link documents. So for example, in your index, you might want to make various parts of this like a hyperlink. So if you come up to, you can see as long as that's on edit in blue, click on link, and then if you, for example, if we go to orders and then you highlight by holding down on your trackpad, turns green, and then this chap comes up, and what we want to do is delete that, go to click on the page part, page, and then you want to come down to where section B, probably let's highlight this order, and let's just take it to there, and that's where it will jump to, and that's, just double check, that's page, you can see here it's page 9. So if you click page 9, okay, it's misbehaving, so if you click on link again, go to index, click on page 9, hit return, get a page. So that should be that. So let's just check. Let's undo the edit. So if we go down to our bundle, and as we hit order, you'll see the mouse turns into a hand. You click on that and it takes us to the order. So it's quite a useful tool to learn, and obviously you can do that for all of your index if you so wish. Let's talk about pagination, because paginating a bundle obviously is very helpful. Let's go to thumbnails first of all. You'll see in section B starts on page 7 and it ends on page, well, there's section C at 37, so it ends at 36. So 7 to 36. So let's, if you come up to edit PDF, header and footer, add page numbers. What you want to do, you want to type in from pages 7 to page 36. You want to, the format is custom, and you want to put in next to prefix, you want to put in your capital B, starting with B1, and if you hit apply, it's the bottom right, that's perfect, hit apply, and then let's have a look. So if we go to our thumbnails, when we hit B, it should say B1, and it does. So that's again very handy for you. You can paginate all your separate sections, so everything is orderly. Then let's close that. The annotation on here is very easy, it speaks for itself really, but click on annotate. This is highlighter, the first one, so let's find some text. So click on your highlighter, it brings up some colours, on yellow at the moment, and you just drag across what you want to highlight. and it will stay on there. You can delete the highlighting if you don't like it. Change the colours. I think it's pretty straightforward. This is to underline, quite useful. That is to strike out. This is a writing pen, not very easy to use. That's your eraser. This is more helpful. This is a text button, but I find this very helpful. So you can, for example, click here, text. If you wanted to make your own note, you could say like cross-examine social worker on this issue, and it's just there as a reminder for you. You can make the box slightly more bigger, and there it is. But it's very good when you're scrolling through a document, it will stand out. And what you can do is then say, let's bookmark that page as well, as it's cross-examination, and then you can just put on here social worker cross-examination question 1, for example, and that's there for you. So if you're at the beginning of your bundle, social workers giving evidence, you can very quickly go to your bookmark, click on it, and it takes you to your first question, and you can carry on from there. You can also, of course, add little post-it notes or the equivalent of, so you can just do your own little notes. Hello, and then they're just there for you, taking up probably less space on the document. So you just click on them and up comes your note. So I think that's pretty much the basics of PDF Expert. It's incredibly easy to use. It's quite intuitive, but like all of these things, you just need to play with it and make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and it won't be long before you too are a PDF expert. So thanks for watching. I hope it was useful and helpful, and don't be scared to use PDF documents. Okay, thank you very much, and that's all from me. Thank you.